Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here. Today I have the Simon Says Stamp January 2019 card kit. Stay tuned, we are making a ton of cards using the repetitive stamping technique, and we are doing an unboxing too. Let's get started. Once you get your kit, this is what is included. We have the gorgeous exclusive Simon Says Stamp Snow Much 8x6 stamp set. This is a clear stamp set, along with the Twirling Ice Skater wafer thin die. This is absolutely gorgeous and super cute. Then we have the 12 double-sided sheets of the Echo Park Celebrate Winter 6x6 paper collection. These are absolutely stunning, lots of backgrounds. However, there's a couple of pieces of paper that you can cut out and just paste and make some super easy cards. Absolutely gorgeous paper. Also included is the Sakura Classic White Jelly Roll Pen, perfect for some snow, along with the Darice White Pom-Poms and the assorted color pom-poms, glossy accents, the Schoolhouse red envelope, 3 large black tags, we got a white mini bobbin, and the newest Distress Oxide Blend ink pad, and 3 pieces of cardstock, white 120, surf blue, and island blue, along with some sugar. For our first card of our repetitive stamping series, we are going to be using the following items from the kit. We're going to be using the pattern paper, the wafer die, the stamp set with the snowflakes, and the sentiment, along with an assortment of blue inks. We begin by die cutting the twirler from white cardstock. Then on our actual card base, we're going to stamp Hello Winter Hello. Go ahead and come in and stamp all the different little snowflakes in the different shades of blue. It's okay to layer. I would keep the darkest colors at the very end. Then from a sheet of pattern paper, I've cut a strip to fit on the left side, and from the same one, I'm going to flip it over and cut a thinner strip and put it right in the center. Then with our little Twirling Ice Skater, we're going to place it right in the center with some foam adhesive. Then we're going to embellish the stamp side with our glossy accents and just add some cute little gloss and add some more glossy accents to the twirler, add some glitter, and she's ready to go. Okay guys, for our second card, we're going to continue with the repetitive stamping, say that multiple times, and we are going to be using heat embossing for this one. We're going to use the Snow Much, the thanks, and all the snowflakes, piece of the checkered paper from our pattern paper pad, white cardstock, Simon Says Stamp watermark ink, and white embossing powder. I'm going to begin by cutting my piece of pattern paper to match my cardstock. And then we're going to stamp in the clear ink the Thanks Snow Much. We're going to cover that with white embossing powder while the ink is fresh. Then we're going to come in and do some more of the snowflakes from the Snow Much clear stamp set. Cover those in white embossing powder again. And repeat the same process, adding a ton of snowflakes around the sentiment. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and heat set with our heat gun. Once that emboss is cooled off, we're going to place it on our card base with some flat adhesive, and it is ready to embellish. We're going to be using the Darice White Pom-Poms and some of those glossy accents to work as our adhesive, just adding some of those pom-poms to the card. You might need a little extra postage for this, but it is so cute. Okay guys, for the third one, last but not least, we're making a set of 3 cards, easy peasy, repetitive stamping background using the Echo Park Celebrate Winter 6x6 pad. For this, you're going to be needing all the snowflakes, of course, the gorgeous surf blue cardstock, along with the pattern paper squares that I have pre-cut, and foam, using some sequins, our glossy accents, and our clear watermark. We are going to begin by stamping the clear watermark with the snowflake stamps We're gonna stamp all over the surf blue cardstock, and once it dries, it's really gonna pop up. It's super gorgeous. Gonna do it 3 times. Then we're gonna add flat adhesive to the back and add our foam pieces to the back of our pre-cut little sentiments from the 6x6 Echo Park Celebrate Winter Pad. We're gonna add those to the center of our cardstock that we just stamped. And then to finish off, we are gonna embellish these babies with some snowflake sequins. You can use anything in your stash, or here is an idea, you can use the Darice White pom-poms included in your kit. And this is a super, super easy way to make lots and lots of cards with super sweet sentiments that are just super easy to mail. And that does it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know which one you like the most. Thanks so much. Have a great day.